Hi everyone. Hello, sir. Today I will about to discuss or tackle about the uncorrecting and correcting and uncorrecting of compass. In correcting or uncorrecting of compass, first we must remember these five letters: C, the C, the C, D, M, V, T. So you can see C, D, M, V, T. C stands for the compass or the device that is used for direction of the ship. Deviation is the one that or the batteries that affects the compass, because since cell phones, other gadgets, because since that gadgets has a magnet that affects the compass. Magnitude is the magnetic field here on Earth that affects our compass. And magnetic north is not exactly at North Pole, but it is somewhere near the North Pole, and it is moving yearly. Every year it is moving easterly, but it is moving. Variation is the difference between the magnetic north and the true north. The magnetic north is different from true north, since true north is exactly at the North Pole, and the magnetic north is is somewhere in near North Pole. And if you graph that too, let's say for example, this is true north, this is the magnetic north. This is magnetic north, and this is true north. The distance between them is called variation. So you can see this V here is the variation. Right now, let's go back to this. Let's go back here. CDMVT. Now, CDMVT were compass, deviation, magnitude, variation, and through. This T here is if we go in this direction, we will add east and subtract west. But if we go vice versa, or in other direction, opposite direction, we add west and we subtract east. We can use mnemonics to represent these letters. C for, we can use C, can, V for dead, M for men, V for vote, and T for twice. We can use this to remember this easily. Can dead men vote twice? Plus east minus west. The calculations of compass error. So you can see here, to calculate compass error, we need to put down these five letters: C, D, M, V, T. And here, for example problem, C is 120. We are given of C or the compass, the D for the deviation and the variation. The compass is 120 degrees per ship's compass. This is the unit for C, per ship's compass. And we are given deviation and the variation. To calculate for the magnitude here, so you can see the magnitude, we need to subtract 120 with 15 degrees west, since in this direction. So we can see here, we are in this direction, we minus west and we add east. So here in our problem, we subtract 15 degrees west, so we get 105 degrees magnitude. So the M here is 105 degrees magnitude. And the T here, or the through heading here, is we add 105 magnetic with 4 degrees east, since it is east, and we know that in this direction we add east, so we had 105 plus 4, and the result is 109 degrees through. We have a shortcut here to solve this. Here we have our compass error. To solve for a compass error, we took these two, and whichever is the highest goes to the top. For this problem, 15 degrees west is the has the biggest value or the higher value, so it goes in the top, and the variation is 4 degrees east. 4 degrees east, since it is different, or since it has different direction or opposite direction, we subtract it. So 15 minus 4 is 11 west. Whichever the highest number goes with the direction. If the higher number is west, the answer should be on west. If the higher value is on east, the answer should be on east. And here we subtract the 11 degrees to west, since in this direction we subtract west with this 120, so the result is 109 through, same as here. This is just the shortcut for the calculation. So for now, let's solve the problem, or this problem. Let's solve this problem in opposite direction. The t is now the given. In here, t, or the true, here t is the given, or t is the given, and we are given the same deviation and variation. T is 109, and we find m. So 109 minus 4. 109 minus 4 is, since it is now in the opposite direction, the west is now the addition and the east is now the subtraction. So 109 minus 4 is 105 magnitude. Same as goes here. 105 magnitude. Now here, the magnitude is 105. To solve for the compass, we add 15 degrees west. Since it is now west, so we will now add it on the magnitude. So 105 plus 100, or 105 plus 15 degrees west is 120 degrees per ship's compass. Same as go with here. We have come up in the same answers. Let's take another example for us to understand thoroughly. We are given 110 degrees per ship's compass. We are given also here the deviation and the variation. We will use the shorter method, or the shortcut. We add these two since they are both east. 10 plus 5, we have 15 degrees east. Now, since it is on this direction, we are finding the t. We are adding the east. We are adding the east to the 110. 110 per ship's pascal plus 15 degrees east here. We have the answer 125 degrees true. That's it. That's how you use the correct and incorrect uncorrecting compass error. Thank you.